Hey guys, the iPhone 15 lineup is coming in less than 3 months. That if you are considering upgrading to iPhone 14 right now, stop, because you are going to regret it, and I am going to prove it to you in this video by going through the latest iPhone 15 leaks and the rumors. So further wasting of time, let's get right into it. Getting into the next one, we have confirmation that both the display and the main camera are going to be the same as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which means the M12 panel is going to be unchanged. So guys, don't expect any display changes at all with the new one, except for the larger size and the bezel, as I'll show you in just a minute. But actual panel are staying the same. We also have confirmation that we are going to have 3nm A17 Bionic chip, which is going to be amazing. Huge change compared to the current A16 on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's going to get it upgrade to 8 gigs of RAM. Finally, we are not only stuck with 6 gigs like we have right here, and it's going to be LPI DDR5, which is going to be really nice and upgraded, where this will have a 4 efficiency cores, 2 performance cores, and 5 core GPU you get. The actual body of iPhone 15 Pro actually made out of titanium this time. It won't be made out of aluminum or stainless steel, and they will also have triple camera setup and also have that LiDAR sensor. Again, the battery size at the moment is looking to be about the same size as the iPhone 14 Pro. So this is 4095 mAh battery size, and the base model of 256GB model will be coming in at $1099. And again, I will mention another country. They might be little bit more or little bit less on release. Then finally, we have the biggest iPhone of them all, the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Ultra. The name is going to be confirmed a bit more nearer the time, but it will coming in at 6.7-inch display. There will be an OLED display at 2778 by 1280 pixels. Again, this will be a promotion display at 120Hz with 8 gigs of RAM. If you are wondering when you are getting an upgraded 48 megapixels camera, it is going to be with 16 Pro Max or Ultra. When we are going to have 1.14-inch sensor, which is going to be the IMX903, that is coming next time, not with the 15 Pro Max. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but it's okay because this camera is really good. Now getting into the regular iPhone 15 model, sources are thinking that that model will be getting an uplift in terms of sale due to a major camera improvement, and that is actually a rumor by Jeff Bush saying that the new regular iPhone 15 models are getting the 48 megapixels camera like the current Pro model have. I honestly didn't think that was coming so soon, because using Pro RAW with 48 megapixels camera is amazing. The quality gets so much better, and if you are think Apple is going to do something crazy like add a third camera for telephoto, they are not. We have a confirmation from Unknown31 that we are going to have to wait until the iPhone 16 for a vertical camera layout like the iPhone 12. So up and down, which means still no telephoto even next year with 16. But this year iPhone 15 is going to look the same as it was before for the past couple of years. Another disappointment for the regular iPhone 15 is that only the iPhone 15 Pro models are supporting USB 3.2 with much faster transfer speeds, because if you didn't already know, all of the iPhones for the last couple of years supports USB 2.0 with only 480 megabytes per second speeds, as this is one on the 14 Pro Max, and the new iPhone 15 are limited to the same USB 2.0 even though they are getting the USB-C connector. Is embarrassing for the regular models, and only the 15 Pro are getting speed as fast as 5 GB per second. And because the switch to USB-C across the entire iPhone 15 lineup, it looks like Apple is working on some new accessories with USB-C port instead of Lightning. Another really great thing is that the iPhone 15 series will be the first one support G2 wireless charging, which is going to unlock 15 watts of wireless charging without official certificate MagSafe. That means you are going to be able to buy third-party chargers with 15 watts charging, which is the current limit, and that's likely mean that the actual MagSafe is going to be even faster. And now here is something a little bit disappointing to hear from Tech Ravi on Twitter. He says that apparently the new A17 and M3 chips are not completely new architecture, but rather improvement in the manufacturing process to make it support 3nm. So maybe it's not going to be as good as we thought. Even technically on 3nm, that's going to be pretty disappointing, but I honestly hope he is wrong in this case. And then of course we have this leaks like 15 Pro models getting the action button, finally replacing the mute switch that we have heard literally forever on iPhone. That's going away, but only on the Pro models, not on the regular one. So you are going to be able to customize that action button to do different tasks. For example, taking photos or videos in the camera app and a bunch of other things that are going to be customizable. And then finally, here is a huge bezel improvement on the iPhone 15 Pro models. You see the Pro and the Pro Max, and those bezels are inside, mainly slim, so much slimmer than the one we have right now. I am personally very excited for that because it's going to make it feels a lot of more impressive and the lots of more premium. So there you go. Those are the new refreshed updated leaks for the iPhone 15 series coming in under 3 months. If you are excited, let me know down in the comment section below and click the circle above to subscribe for more video like this one. So thank you guys for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and peace out.